Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be speaking about how to add an end screen to the end of your videos on YouTube. A lot of people want to know how to add those little boxes where you can choose a video to watch and maybe even add a subscribe button at the very end of your video. It's very simple to do, and I'm going to break down how to do it right now. So the first thing you want to do is go to the very top right, click on your YouTube page and go to your channel right here. And then once you are on your YouTube page, you want to click right here on the YouTube Studio button. So click on YouTube Studio. And once you click on that, you want to go to videos on the left hand side so you can view all of your videos. And when you do that, you can pick any video that you want to add the end screen. So for now, let's say I want to add an end screen over here to this video. And what you want to do is click on this details button that looks like a pen right here. So click on details and then scroll down, and then when you click right here on end screen, you can make or add any end screens that you want to add to your videos. So for example, I'm going to remove these right now. I'm going to click delete, click on it, delete, click on it, delete. So over here you can see that you have an import from the latest video, and I don't want to do that because that's already the one that I'm using, but I'm going to show you how to add one from scratch. So what you want to do is you can scroll any design that you want from these options. The one that I like to add is this one over here. So I'm going to click on this and to add. And then what you can do is you can move these boxes anywhere you want. So for me, I like to add them right here to the left hand side like this. You can add them to the right hand side like that if you want. You can do whatever you want. So YouTube automatically chooses the best for viewer and also the most recent upload. But you can also change this. So let's say if you want to click on best for viewer and you don't want best for viewer, let's say you want to choose a specific video instead, you can click on choose the video that you want, and you can choose any video that you want from your list of videos. So let's say instead of adding the best for viewer, I want to add this particular video to my end screen, so you can do that. Or if you want to add, let's say, another person's video, you can do that as well. So from the most recent video, you can click on this one and you can do best for viewer, choose specific video, or the most recent upload. It's your choice what you want to do. And then I like to leave it the way it is. So I like to leave it as most recent upload. And you will notice that it will begin at the 3:57 mark of your video. And you can also add another element to it. So I'm going to add, let's say, the subscribe button. So you click on this element and you can add, let's say, a video, a playlist, a subscribe, or a channel. I want to add the subscribe button. So you noticed here it added the subscribe button, and you can just click on here and move it anywhere you want and drag it anywhere you want. But I like to leave it where it is. And so now I have this video showing up. I have the most recent upload video showing up, and also the subscribe button showing up around the 3:57 mark in my video. And if we move this back over here, we can preview it, click play,
subscribe to my channel, and click on that bell icon so you don't
you can see that these two videos are showing
also,
up,
don't forget to leave
and the
a comment
subscribe button as well over here. So and then all you have to do is just basically click on the save button right here, and it would save it for you. And you can now have that in your video, so that whenever somebody watches this video, they can see those two videos and also the subscribe button at the very end. So that's it, guys. It's very simple to do. That's all you have to do to it, and you can do that for every video that you want to add those end screens for. Okay, if you guys found this information helpful, please like it and leave a comment down below, and please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks again for watching.